Hello students, Ncert solutions, class 12 physics, chapter is electric charges and fields. Question number 12. Two insulated charged copper spheres A and B have their center separated by a distance of 50 cm. What is the mutual force of electrostatic repulsion if the charge on each is 6.5 into 10⁻⁻7 coulomb? The radii of A and B are negligible compared to the distance of separation. B part. What is the force of repulsion if each sphere is charged double the above amount and the distance between them is half? In this question given that two insulated charged copper spheres, suppose these are the two insulated charged copper spheres A and B, this A and B, separated by a distance of R, and this R is given, R is equal to 50 centimeter, and this 50 centimeter can be written as 0.5 meter, and charges on each sphere. This suppose here Q1 and here this Q2, and given that both are equal, Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to 6.5 into 10⁻⁻7 coulomb. Charges on each Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to 6.5 into 10⁻⁻7 coulomb. दोनों के बीच में हमें फोर्स ऑफ रिपल्सन चाहिए. बिकॉज बोथ आर पॉजिटिव, therefore there is a repulsive force between Q1 and Q2, repulsive force, and this repulsive force is given by F is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught into this Q1 Q2 upon R square. Now on putting values, this 1/4 pi epsilon naught is equal to 9 into 10⁻⁹, and charge Q1 is equal to 6.5 into 10⁻⁻7 coulomb, and Q2 is same, therefore this whole square upon distance R is equal to 0.5 square. Then on solving, this is equal to electrostatic repulsive force F is equal to how much? F is equal to, this is 1.52 into 10⁻⁻2 Newton. So this is the repulsive force between these two spheres A and B. Now B part. What is the force of repulsion if each sphere is charged double? Here given that Q1 dash is equal to Q2 dash is equal to twice of initial amount of charge. This is 2 into 6.5 into 10⁻⁻7 coulomb. इनिशियल चार्ज का डबल कर दिया दोनों स्फीयर्स पर, तो Q1 डैश इज इक्वल टू Q2 डैश इज इक्वल टू 2 into 6.5 into 10⁻⁻7 coulomb, और दोनों के बीच का सेपरेशन R डैश बिकम्स हाफ. सेपरेशन को आधा कर दिया हमने. देन अगेन फाइंड द फोर्स बिटवीन द सेम टू स्फीयर्स. नाउ वी नो दैट दिस F डैश इज इक्वल टू 1/4 pi epsilon naught, this Q1 dash into Q2 dash upon this R dash square, right? Now Q1 और Q2 डबल कर दिए हमने, तो therefore this is 2Q1 into this 2Q2 divided by this R/2 whole square, or this can be written as F dash is equal to 2 to the 4, and this again here 4, so this is 16. Here this 1/4 pi epsilon naught as it is 1/4 pi epsilon naught, right, this value, and this 16 here, 16 into this is Q1 Q2 upon this R square, or this can be written as 16 into F. it is 16 time of the initial force. This 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into this Q1 Q2 upon R square is F. According to this relation, F is equal to this 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square. So this is F, or this F dash is equal to 16F, and hence F dash is equal to 16 into F. F हमारी वैल्यू कितनी थी? दिस इज 1.52 इंटू 10⁻⁻² न्यूटन. मल्टीप्लाई करें तो मल्टीप्लाई करने पर ये आता है दिस इज 24.3 इंटू 10⁻⁻² न्यूटन. तो दिस इज द फोर्स, electrostatic repulsive force when charge becomes double and the separation between two spheres becomes half. दोनों के बीच का सेपरेशन हमने आधा कर दिया, चार्ज को डबल कर दिया, तो फोर्स हमारा 16 टाइम हो जाता है, इनिशियल फोर्स का 16 टाइम. तो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम. थैंक यू.